and cheesier, which makes it even dippier. There's the Meteor. The more cheese.
Say thank you, Brittany. Yay! The rattles.
Sorry, dude. Whatever your style,
Rattles.
because we are the freshly sliced, meatier, cheesier, dippier, new 2 for 6 French dip and Swiss Arby's. Alex Bertoni.
It's pretty crazy out there. The size of those flakes. I can't get over it. Is that a bug? That. Can't get out of the driveway. Hey, baby girl. Hey. Hey. Hello. Shake them. Shake them rattles that are coming off your feet. Too cute. Too cute. Too cute. Too cute. Too cute. Too cute.
I just took the biggest shit ever. Honey, I need your tongue to wipe my butt. Come on, give me your tongue.
Gross.
I need you.
She loves her daddy.
You need to quit sitting all spread eagle like that. You put them legs, you cross them legs. You cross them legs.
Cincinnati's a great place to be in January. You know, the Bengals are undefeated at home. They're breaking records.
Oh, that tree's gonna snap.
You think? Then I really can't get out of the driveway.
Oh, it's just a small one. But I think that's what happened back here when I said I seen West Philip, the trees just bend.